These are the two movies. I have actually just come back from rehearsals. Tomorrow is a very special day for me as I start a new film, which I will tell you all about. It's my 9th film, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Thank you so much, Sharik. I hope you're well. Please make some amazing edits for me as well. मिस्टर मजनू बहुत अच्छा है. थैंक यू. मैं देख रही हूँ कि हिंदी डब में मिस्टर मजनू बहुत बहुत अच्छे से चल रही है. सो बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि आप लोगों को अच्छी लग रही है. और मैडम सर मैडम अंते, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. मिसिंग पबजी, yes I really am. Love you too. A big thank you to all of my fan clubs. You guys have been posting so many things about me, and I really love you all a lot. Without y'all, like, I don't know what I would do. Maybe I would not even be on social media, but y'all make it amazing for me, so thank you. मराठी अभी टाइम है ब्रदर. अभी मैं इतनी लैंग्वेजेस नहीं सीख सकती हूँ. अभी के लिए ये ठीक है. I'm good. I hope you all are safe. I know that COVID is still around, and I hope you're all wearing a mask, eating well, exercising, taking steam, having things like turmeric, and just like a healthy diet. I hope you all are doing all of those things. Thank you so much. Say my name, Apurva. Hi Apurva. Smiley. Hemant. Nidhi Agarwal Queen. Hello. Die hard fan of Nidhi. Hello. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. Hello. I'm trying to say hi to as many people as possible. When will you act with Pawan Kalyan? Hopefully soon. आज डिनर में क्या बना है दी? वेल मैं होटल में हूँ आज तो, क्योंकि मैं शूट पे हूँ, तो डिनर तो मेरा रूम सर्विस से ही ऑर्डर होगा. आई थिंक आई हैव, what should I have? Okay, you guys tell me, what do you want me to eat? I have to eat healthy, and I am a vegetarian, so please let me know what to eat, and I will eat that. Mr. Majnu, yes, Mr. Majnu has come out long time ago. Please watch it on Gold Mines, I think. Okay, now that I'm here, let's try some. No, actually, I don't want to try any effects. Let it be. Let me just be normal. Die hard fan of Nidhi. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let me answer some questions. Please ask me questions, guys. Hi, all of you. But I need to go soon because I have some work to do. So please ask me questions. Veg soup. Okay, I will have one veg soup. Maybe tomato soup is good. I like tomato soup, so maybe that. Pav bhaji, nahi, pav bhaji I cannot eat. That is full of bread. Dal, rice, and any green vegetable. That is a good idea. You have to eat paratha. I cannot eat paratha. Paratha is too much of. It's too heavy for tonight. Simbu Nidhi official. Hello. Thank you. I'm good. How are you? Abhaz. Rajkumar. My next movie I'm going to tell you soon. Well, I'm starting it tomorrow. I am already shooting for 2 films. One is in Tamil, and one is in Telugu. So that shoot is going on, and I start another one tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing right now. I think it's gotten stuck. It's just saying, okay, anyway. I don't know what's happening. Okay, it's come back now. Ma'am, please say my name. Nidhi stolen heart of Dikshu. Hi Dikshu. I've stolen your heart. You've also stolen my heart. Ma'am, when you come to Surat, I hope soon. Nidhi Agarwal Queen, I know you're from Surat. You've been following me and you've had this fan club from the beginning. I know and I remember. Nidhi Agarwal Tamil fans, hello. Rumba Rumba Nandri. Rumba Nandri for all the love. Happy to see you guys too. Hi Yash, how are you? I hope you're well. I need to come back and learn some like new dance steps that I can post on Instagram and Twitter and everything. Mr. Maulik, hello Mr. Maulik. कैसे हो आप? कौन सी लैंग्वेज में बात करूँ आपसे? These days I have so many languages that I can speak in that I don't know what language to speak in anymore. That is why I'm talking in English. But if you guys want me to talk in any other language, please let me know and I can try. Nidhi's forever. Hello, Ankush. Nidhi Agarwal Queen. Hi. Favorite. Thank you, Yadnesh. Thank you for calling me your favorite. I really love that compliment. Chintu. Hi, Chintu. I can't wait to meet you too. Love your smile. Thank you so much, Mr. Gaurav Das. How sweet of you. Thank you so much. I really always say that I have the best fans in the world because you guys support me so much. So thank you for that. Hitesh. Hi, Hitesh. गुजराती सॉरी मुझे गुजराती नहीं आती. गुजराती में एक ही चीज बोल सकती हूँ. सू छे सारू छे डंडा लेके मारू छे. That's the only thing I can say. Nidhi Agarwal Tamil fans, you know Hindi, Tamil, English, Telugu, any other languages? No, that's all. And Tamil and Telugu, I'm in the process of learning it, so not perfectly. Thank you, Abhishek. How sweet of you. Thank you, Raj Papil. Hi, Amit. How are you? How's my hair looking? I need a haircut. I need my hair to be colored. I need a lot of things. When am I meeting you next? Mukesh, Mystical, Dude, Cool Boy, so many people. Pavan Kalyan Nayak 0143. So many people. Thank you for all the love. Some questions I will not answer, but thank you guys. I really just wanted to come live and just really say thank you to y'all. Y'all have made the last 9 months for me really positive and really good. And even currently, I have so many things that I want to share with y'all that I'm so excited to share with y'all. So just a very big thank you and lots of love to all of y'all, to each and every one of you. Be safe, be happy, and yeah, I love you all. Thank you.